In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a copy of a page in Canva. Duplicating a page is a simple way to save time. Keep your layout consistent and experiment with variations without touching your original work. To get started, open your design in Canva so you are in the editor with the page or pages you want to work on. The quickest method lives right on the page itself. Hover your mouse over the page you want to copy. As you move over the page area, you'll see a small toolbar appear near the top right corner of that page frame. Click the duplicate page icon. It looks like two overlapping squares with a little plus sign. The moment you click it, Canva creates an exact copy directly below the original, keeping all text, images, colors, and spacing intact. If you don't see the icon right away, make sure your cursor is on the page, not the surrounding canvas. This method is perfect when you are already focused on a single page and just want a clean duplicate in one click. If you are working with a multi-page project and want a broader view, try Grid View. Look toward the bottom right of the editor for the Grid View icon. It resembles a cluster of small squares with a number. Click it to see thumbnails of all your pages at once. Find the page you want to copy. Right-click its thumbnail and choose Duplicate Page. This is especially handy when you are managing many pages and want to confirm exactly where the copy appears among the thumbnails. It keeps everything visual and organized while you duplicate with confidence. For those who love speed, T here is also a keyboard shortcut. Click on the page to select it. This tells Canva which page you want to duplicate. Then press Ctrl+D on a Mac or Ctrl+D on Windows. You'll instantly see a new copy. If nothing happens, double-check that the page is active by clicking anywhere on it first. You can press the shortcut multiple times to create several copies quickly, which is great when you are building out a series of similar pages. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.